Hello everyone, this is Vasilios from Trademark Construction, and we are here in Maryland, in Fallston, and I'd like to show you one of the basements that we are doing. We are finishing up this basement for a nice client. We do work for him for about like 15-20 years now, and now that since we have all that issues with the virus and stuff, he's trying to finish up his basement for the kids, and I'd like to show you what we're doing here. So as I'm going down, we're gonna have like a nice bar area, and I like to show you how that bar is gonna look. It's gonna be on this spot here, and as you can see here, Mike and Marvin, they are working on the bar, and I want to show you a little bit of plans how they're gonna look. So this is the bar section that we are building. This is the plans here. So we are using like a Jim Bishop cabinets, and hopefully we're gonna have them soon here. Jim Bishop is one of the best manufacturers out there for semi-custom cabinets, and we're gonna use a nice espresso color for that bar with a nice granite and glass towel for backsplash. And I want to show you also on the other side, we do have like a how I call it, dark room. Here we're gonna have like a theater, and on this spot we're gonna watch all the scary movies. As you can see, the whole room is gonna be black semi-gloss paint, and then we're gonna have like some LED lights, and the TV is gonna go all the way down there on the end. Not too much to see yet because it's a dark room and we're still painting. So, and then we do have like an area for a gym. Hopefully they're gonna use it. So, you know, it's gonna be a small workout area for our clients that they're gonna be able to do their workouts. And here we are. So this is gonna be here the gym area. And we have Kane that he paints today. We have like a double French door for this area. As you can see, got like two glass doors there. So we do have another secret here. We do have a another small area that we're gonna hide our wines, so no one is gonna be able to see where they are when we are done, because this room total is gonna be changed. We do have a bathroom that we'd like to show you. So here is going to be the bathroom area, and we're going to have a nice tiling that's going to go back. We still have to do waterproofing and some niches, but here is going to be the bathroom. And we do have like two entrances, one that you can come in from the bedroom on this side. So the bedroom is going to be inside there, as you can see, with a big window, and we're going to have a closet for this area, and here you are with the door that you can go in the bathroom, and then we do have another entrance for outside for that bathroom, as you can see here. So we're gonna have like a vinyl laminated floors done. Probably I'm gonna start doing that like next week, and as you can see, all this space back here is going to fill up with nice premium floors from show floors, and it's going to be a nice vinyl laminated floor. And I'm going to show you the color that we're going to use. All the basement has like LED lights and nice crown moldings as well. So I'm going to show you a little bit the crown moldings, how they're going to look up there, so you can see it. We paint them with white semi-gloss. As you can see here, a nice crown molding. And I'm going to show you the floor now. So here's going to be the planks that we're going to use. That's the color here, and we think it's going to go very well. It's a nice premium floor from show floors, and I'm going to put it down here on the floor. So you're gonna see how it's gonna look.